In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated diagrams for LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Animated diagrams are a great way to capture attention and convey information effectively, especially on a platform like LinkedIn where engaging content can help you stand out. To get started, you'll want to prepare your content. Choose a tool that you feel comfortable with, such as PowerPoint, Canva, or Figma. Each of these platforms offers unique advantages for creating diagrams. PowerPoint is particularly user-friendly for creating straightforward diagrams, while Canva offers a plethora of templates and design options. If you're looking for something more advanced, Figma is an excellent choice for collaborative designs. Once you've selected your tool, begin crafting your diagram by laying out the key elements you want to highlight. Think about the flow of information you want to present. With your diagram set up, the next step is to animate the elements. This is where you can really bring your diagram to life. Each tool I mentioned has built-in animation features. In PowerPoint, for example, you can select an object and apply entrance animations like fades or zooms to make your diagram more dynamic. If you're using Canva, you can animate your designs with a simple click on the Animate button after selecting the element. Figma, with its prototyping tools, allows for more complex interactions. As you animate, consider the order in which elements appear. This will guide your viewers through the information smoothly and keep them engaged. Once you've animated your diagram to your liking, it's time to export it as a video or GIF. Each tool has different formats for saving your creations. In PowerPoint, you can go to File, then Export, and choose to save as an MP4 video. Canva, on the other hand, allows you to download your design by selecting Download, then choosing the GIF option for a fun animation or an MP4 for a video format. If you're using Figma, make sure to use the right plugin to export your design as an animated GIF or video. Opt for a high-quality setting to ensure that what you upload to LinkedIn looks professional. Now that your animated diagram is ready, the next step is to upload it to LinkedIn. To do this, create a new post on your LinkedIn feed. Look for the media icon, which is typically represented by a camera or image symbol. Click on it, and then select the exported file from your device. This is where your visually engaging work will shine. Before you hit that post button, it's essential to write a captivating caption. A descriptive headline and context about what your diagram represents will help engage your audience. Make sure to explain the significance of the information and encourage discussions in the comments. This is your chance to showcase your expertise and invite others to participate, so take a moment to craft a thoughtful message. And there you have it. With these steps, you can create stunning animated diagrams that not only convey your message but also grab attention on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy creating your animated diagrams.